Hi. Today you will see something that at first glance may seem impossible. Although in fact it's just the endless luck of some people. I promise, you will not remain indifferent. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Another daredevil ready to defy gravity. It looks like this fragment is from a movie, but it's not. Having accelerated enough, the madman literally takes off above the ground, leaving only a shadow over the car passing under him. Admittedly, it turned out to be spectacular. The next hero of our top doesn't seem to know about the existence of fear at all. Going out one-on-one with a multi-ton monster, he calmly does his job without blinking an eye. One wrong move and a man could easily say goodbye to life. This is not for you to catch hooligans in the yards. The police did not expect this when they went to the call. The formidable lion was so disappointed by the presence of law enforcement officers that he even attacked one of the policemen. A small flaw. He's too big to hide in a tree, although it wasn't a bad idea. If the rhinoceros hadn't been so attentive, maybe his observations would have gone as planned. In this video, the author managed to shoot a beautiful picture of how a huge amount of foam was thrown from the ocean to the shore. Tropical cyclone Oswald has brought a lot of troubles to Australia, which has been getting a lot lately after forest fires. Now many coastal areas of Australia are under a layer of ocean foam. Huge waves and wind carried the foam ashore for the joy of children and adults. On the one hand, it looks very nice, but on the other hand, it makes it difficult for cars to travel and requires a lot of effort to clean up excess foam. If this is not a real friendship, then I give up. That's about what an adaptation of Chip and Dale from Netflix would look like. The man was already a good swimmer, but after the appearance of a strange shadow in the water, he learned to swim even faster. While he was waiting for the wave, a shark crept up to him. A boost of energy for the whole day is guaranteed. If you don't have a motor on the boat, then you don't need it, you just need to find a pet python, and he will be happy to help you, as for example he helped this man. With just one movement, the snake sent the boat away from the shore and sailed about its business. The author of the video managed to capture an amazing moment. The footage shows a huge group of monkeys moving right through the city center. It's more like a huge wave that covers the streets and roads. Literally in a few minutes hundreds of monkeys disappeared from the city continuing their way. No, it's definitely not one of the Ninja Turtles, so you can go back to the sewer to look further. The guys wanted to catch sewer fish, but came across a snake. They didn't expect such a catch. This diver regretted that he caught this fish. Apparently she was a good friend of the tiger shark. Why did I decide that? That's because after a couple of seconds the shark will let the guy realize that it's better for him to go home, and preferably faster. It all started with the fact that the man while fishing met an unexpected guest. Of course, he immediately decided to wind up his fishing rods and get away, but the shark had other plans for this. It's good that he managed to throw the fishing rod in time, otherwise he would have become a part of the underwater world of Miami forever. The dreams of these guys about a good income were not destined to come true. The reason for this is the simplest: gravity. Dementia and courage. The heroes of the next video decide on a desperate act. It's a pity that even passers-by did not find their actions stupid. It could be a great advertisement for camouflage clothing for hunters. When these guys saw the bear, they wanted to get a better look at it. Fortunately, even coming close, the bear showed no interest in the hunter. Don't sleep, you'll freeze. One mistake and all the shelves folded up like a house of cards. You've probably heard how many crocodiles and alligators like to visit homes in the USA from time to time. Unfortunately, these reptiles sometimes get confused and go into pools or people's homes, thinking that this is a shallow lake in which they can relax. The same thing happened in this video when the couple was swimming at night in the pool, and suddenly the alligator decided that he wanted to join the fun. The man immediately managed to escape, but the woman had to try not to be bitten by the alligator. How harsh Chelyabinsk builders dump from work. He doesn't care so much that if he falls down, he'll probably light a cigarette downstairs out of boredom. Thank you so much for watching. Leave likes, write comments, and don't forget about subscribing to the channel. See you soon. Peace.